are acquiring a lot of data. So where exactly this data will come? Before going to see what exactly the data mining, we'll see the history. In the recent years, like in the year 1700 or in the year like 1800s, we are having some of the algorithms, like some of the techniques, how we are dealing with the data. For example, we are having earlier data mining methods like Bayes theorem. If we take an example like Bayes theorem or any like regression analysis, in these kinds we are making the data to be work on the statistical form. Statistical form in the sense like we are making it a kind of manually. We are not taking with the help of any techniques or any like software kind of thing. So as we see in this slide, as I show you the pictorial representation, here you can observe like we are having how the data came in an evaluation. First of all, in the year, we are taking the years like 1700s. If you go back to the years 1700s or 1800s, we are having statistic kind of thing. In what way we are dealing with the data? Like we are taking the data in the form of like statistics. As the year gradually, as the evaluation of the year came into the existence, we will come across a kind of computer age. Earlier in 1700 or 1800s, we are not having any computer kind of thing. But as the year gradually increases, like in the year like 1900s, we'll come across the concept called Turing neural networks. As you are hearing right now, we are hearing like artificial networks, AI, machine learning kind of thing. But we know that in the year 1943, we'll come across neural networks. In that year, we'll come across neural networks and the concept called evolutionary computation, databases. As we are working nowadays on the databases, like a lot of databases. But it came into existence in the year 1970s, and along with that, genetic algorithms in the 1975. So, as the computer age, like evaluation of the computer age, we started storing huge kind of data, like huge kind of information. So, in the year 1989 or 1900s, we come up with the concept called data mining. Right? In this year, we come across what exactly the data mining by using some of the techniques like SVM, data science, Moneyball, and KDD process. All these things will come across in this age, like evolution, I can say. And as we gradually in the current today's scenario, we are having the concept called big data analysis. I think you might have heard a lot of things like Hadoop, all those things, big data analysis, and widespread adoption, all these things. Right? This is how we can see the evolution of the data. Starting